Welcome to Breweries across New England, where we showcase one of New England's best breweries each week. This week we have KIT NA, a rising star in the non-alc space, pushing the boundaries when it comes to high-quality, non-alcoholic brews. Based in Portland, Maine, KIT currently doesn't have a tasting room, but you can find their beers at bars and stores like Brew England across the Northeast. KIT uses a special variety of yeast that produces no alcohol, resulting in a beer with all the flavors and notes you're looking for in a good beer, but without the byproduct. Now let's go to the interview.
Hi, I'm Allie from KIT Non-alc. So the brewery, we don't have a tap room. We were founded in 2021 by the founders Rob and Will. They actually just met very randomly and both were taking a break from drinking and decided to make the non-alc beer. So we're brewed in a special way where we use a specific yeast where no alcohol is created. So we're just 4 simple ingredients, non-GMO, dairy-free, vegan. So you can't get any better than that with these. We're out of Portland, Maine. We don't have a tap room, so we base ourselves in the New England area. This one is the hazy IPA. It's very, taste. It is a traditional IPA, so it's kind of for those drinkers who like craft beer. The golden, a lot of people matched up with an Allagash white, so that kind of wheat beer flavor. But that one's flying through these summer days because it's really refreshing, and it's got a really soft aftertaste. And then the blonde is our lightest one. A lot of people note the aftertaste of grapefruit, but I always have people who don't love beer or craft beer drink that one and they really grasp onto it. So you kind of go in this order of how intense they are. We kind of go off of bringing your own influence, and believe it or not, we actually go more towards people who aren't completely sober. So KIT kind of goes off of being a part of your toolkit. So you can have 4 beers and then maybe your last one is non-alc. Substitute it in when you need it. You just still want a beer. So I think it's really important to remember we're not pushing being sober. It's just something to have, when you need it.
Thank you, Allie. While KIT doesn't have a tasting room, you can find their beer at many restaurants, bars, and stores throughout New England. You can also buy their products online at kitnow.beer and follow them on Instagram at kitnonalc. If you're enjoying this series, please like and subscribe. And if you're passing through Southern Maine, you can visit Brew England Beer Store at 193 Main Street in Biddeford and follow us on Instagram at Brew England Beer Store.